Alright, not much progress today, but you'll kind of get an idea what I'm trying to do. So I've got this perforated metal here that I'm using as a skeleton, and what I plan on doing, if you can see, is actually bonding that to the bumper. And I've got it to where it bolts on to the fender up top there. So I'm either going to do some kitty hair or some fiberglass resin right in this area. I'll pretty much as I can all the way around to bond that metal to the fiberglass bumper. And then this ledge right here is going to be a cover so I can do my fender liners, because I'm going to have a cover go all the way across the engine to kind of direct the air into the radiator and everything else underneath the car, so it's not just going all over the place. Let me show you what it looks like when I pull the bumper off from the other side. So as you can see, I've got this skeleton going right here, and all this will be molded to the bumper, and then we'll be able to bolt it, unbolt it right here. These two bolts right here go into the fender, so it'll all come out as one piece with the bumper and everything attached. And then I can run my covers underneath for the fenders, and then cover all this for the fender liners right here to protect the intake and everything from getting water in it. So not much update today. Hopefully I'll get the other side done and start molding these brackets in tomorrow. Alright, see you later.